My name is Joe Vitale, and I am Director of Maintenance, Operations, and Transportation for Lamphere Schools. Every day, my team and I work behind the scenes to keep more than 600,000 square feet of school buildings operating safely for students, staff, and visitors. Our buildings look well cared for, but the systems behind the walls, above the ceilings, and our rooftops have reached or exceeded their expected service life. Boilers, air handling units, rooftop HVAC equipment, pumps, ventilation systems, and building controls have been in service for 20, 30, and even 60 years in some cases. Repairs are more frequent, parts are harder to find, and unexpected failures are becoming a greater concern. We respond to more than 1,500 maintenance work orders every year, about 6 every school day. Heating and cooling failures, electrical issues, ventilation problems, roof leaks, and emergency repairs are part of our daily work. We keep aging equipment operating, but maintenance cannot extend the life of major systems forever. Roofing is another significant issue. More than half of the district's total roof area is rated in fair or poor condition. Roofs deteriorate long before water enters a classroom, and waiting for visible leaks can lead to damage to ceilings, flooring, electrical systems, and other building infrastructure. Many of our schools were built in the 1950s and 1960s, and the systems serving those buildings have been operating far beyond their intended lifespan. When a major system fails, it can disrupt heating or cooling, cause water damage, interrupt instruction, or close portions of a building. Emergency repairs also limit our options and often cost more than planned replacement. That is why this proposed bond is being placed on the ballot. It is not about cosmetic improvements. It is about replacing the infrastructure that keeps our schools safe, secure, dry, comfortable, and operational every day. After 5 years of assessing these buildings, I can say that repairs alone are no longer enough. We can wait for the major systems to fail and respond to emergencies, or we can address known issues in a planned and responsible way. This proposal is about protecting what our community has built and ensuring our schools continue serving Lamphere students and families for generations to come.